Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, 1Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and I'll have her link down below. Hashtag 2Crafters, 1Design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. All the links will be down below. Next week's thing, apples. So if you have an apple, please join in. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I started out with honeybee stamps, and this is the autumn die, and the stamps I use Blessing. And then from Cottage Cuts, I use the stitched leaves. From Doris, I use leaves, assorted pattern. And then from CC Designs, I use circle die. And I just used the outer circle, and that inner circle I used this here from We Are Memory Keepers, the nesting dies, the circles, and I also used this for the outer circle. All right, and here we go. I use, as you can tell, foil paper on there, and I thought that just displayed autumn beautifully, and I love how it turned out. The inside is pretty similar to the outside, except for I added this die that was already cut in my stash. And it had a little ivory tone. I said that works. And then I just put a circle in the inside. But it's so pretty. I love those Cottage Cuts dies there. Just too cute. I did have a little bow and some little bitty gems. And the gems came set here, which is from Hobby Lobby. All right, so make sure you use all the links down below, join in on the challenge, and that is all I have for you. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.